Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both the Apple Watch and iPhone are updated, because accuracy depends on current software. Once done, wear the watch snugly on your wrist and charge it past 30% so it won't die overnight. Then open Health on your iPhone, tap Sleep, and create a sleep schedule. Set your in bed and wake times. This activates the sleep mode on the watch and syncs tracking, so data flows into the sleep score calculation automatically. Now you enable nightly tracking. On your iPhone, go to Health, right arrow Sleep, and turn on Track Sleep with Apple Watch, which lets the watch use motion and heart rate sensors. Make sure Sleep Focus is scheduled so notifications won't wake you and distort the score. Also grant motion and fitness and heart rate permissions. Without them, the watch only guesses. Once enabled, the watch records sleep stages, interruptions, and respiratory rate, so in the morning you open the Health app and review the sleep score and stage breakdown, deep, REM, light, and awake minutes. Use trends to spot issues. Inconsistent bedtimes or low deep sleep reduce your score. If a night shows no data, make sure the watch had battery, the sleep focus ran, and health permissions were granted. Then check the fit and motion sensor settings. If problems continue, restart both devices and re-enable sleep tracking to reset the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.